Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new video tutorial, and this is about how to rebook your ticket in Cebu Pacific and how to use Paymaya as your payment method. But before that, I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to my first 1,000 subscribers and to all who currently subscribe in my channel. Thank you so much for the support. I hope that you find value in every video that I upload in my channel. Now, let's go to my screen and I'll show you how to rebook your ticket. First, go to cebupacificair.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's wait for the website to load. Click Manage and Manage Booking. Enter booking reference number, surname, and click Continue. What do you want to do with your booking? Print or view my itinerary, settle my balance, buy add-ons or rebook or cancel, update guest details. Just check change flight since you want to change the date of your flight, and click Continue. Before you can select your preferred new departure date, just check first the promo fares are non-reroutable. You cannot change the origin and destination. What you can do is to change only the departure date. And click Continue. Select your departing flight, and these are the flight available on January 30. Just select which one you prefer and click Continue. Buy add-ons. You can buy add-ons. Just click Add. Kung wala naman, click Continue. And I have read my booking summary and click Confirm and Continue. Note that fare difference is computed as your old ticket price minus new ticket price. Yun po yung rebooking fee. And click Confirm and Continue. How would you like to pay? You can pay through credit card or debit card. You can pay through PayPal. You can pay through payment centers. Or you can use your travel fund. Dito, pinili ko yung payment centers. Please pay at any of these payment centers within 8 hours. Kindly check your preferred payment center's cut-off schedule and keep all your transaction receipts as proof of payment. Note, a hold fee of 168 will be included in your booking total to secure the price you book. Sa mga nagtatanong about hold fee, ito po yung sagot. To secure the price you book. Kasi nga, every second, every minute, nagpa-fluctuate po yung presyo. Tumataas, bumababa, kaya to secure the price you book, you need to pay hold fee of 168. But itong 168, hindi po ito constant fee. It depends on the date you choose and sa computation ni airline. Kasi may nag-comment na nag-add baggage siya, yung hold fee na binayaran niya ay umabot ng 400 plus. Pero kung yung pinili mo naman na payment method is credit or debit card or PayPal, since nagre-reflect siya agad, matatanggap nila agad yung bayad, you don't need to pay hold fee. Kita niyo naman kanina na when I select PayPal, ito yung balance due na 618.24 only. Pero dahil nga dito sa payment center, na kailangan mo siyang bayaran within 8 hours, and sa 8 hours na yon marami pang mangyayari, tataas or bababa yung presyo, kaya or else masosold out yung napili mong date, kaya para ma-secure yung presyo, kailangan mong bayaran, kailangan mong magbayad ng hold fee. Okay? Payment centers in the Philippines, ito, you can pay through 7-Eleven, GCash. And after that, check I fully understand and click submit now. Your request is being processed. And yung reference number ay makikita mo siya sa when you do manage booking. I'll show you how to do manage booking. Sa mga hindi alam kung paano makita yung reference number or hindi na screenshot yung reference number, eto, i-manage booking mo ulit. Enter your booking reference number and then surname. As you can see, amount due 786.24, reference number, booking date, status confirmed with payment due. Ito yung reference number na gagamitin mo if you want to pay through 7-Eleven, GCash, SM Store, Robinsons, and etc. Screenshot mo lang to. Pero if GCash naman, madali lang din. Enter mo yung reference number and wait na mag-successful yung payment. In my case, I found out na kulang pala yung laman ng aking GCash. Kaya nag-decide ako na mag-pay using Paymaya. Kaya yung ginawa ko, kiniklik ko yung settle my balance and click pay now. Confirmation, you're opting to pay now instead of paying via our accredited payment centers. In case your payment is unsuccessful, your booking and option to pay in payment centers will be automatically canceled. Would you like to proceed? So sabi niya, in case na mag-access unsuccessful yung pag-pay ko using debit or credit card, yung option to pay in payment centers will be automatically canceled now. Would you like to proceed? Yes? And nawala na yung PayPal. So since payment via payment centers, yung napili ko kanina, yung amount due niya ay 786.24 pa rin. Meron siyang hold fee na 168. Tingnan mo yung virtual card number sa Paymaya para ma-enter dito yung card number. Country, Republic of the Philippines, state, email address, country code. Fill up mo lahat dyan. Then pag okay na, I fully understand, check mo yan and click submit now. And your booking is confirmed. Thank you so much at tinanggap nila yung virtual card sa Paymaya. Akala ko kasi di nila tatanggapin or di mag-work kasi merong nag-try na magbayad using Paymaya pero hindi daw tinanggap. And sa akin naman, successful yung payment using Paymaya. So, yun lang. Ganun lang kadali mag-rebook ng ticket. Kung ikaw gusto mo mag-rebook, please decide ahead of time para maka-save ka ng rebooking fee. Okay, sa mga gustong umuwi, sa mga naghahanap ng ticket, please don't hesitate to message me para mahanapan kita ng mga murang ticket, mga promo, and of course, sa mga subscribers ko, I will give you guys a discount. So, message me in my messenger, Jhud F Galua, or you can visit my website at www.jhudagalwa.com if you want to know other side hustle, side income, and for questions, just comment down below and I will try my best na sagutin yung question mo. And that's all for this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Again, message me if you want to book a ticket para ma-access kita ng maayos at makarating ka sa iyong destination. Thank you so much for watching this video. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!